The Mazda MX-5. The Japanese vehicle has been on the market and extremely successful since 1989. It is the best-selling roadster of all time. 2016 and the millionth MX-5 is already running off the production line.
After 25 years, the fourth generation of the roadster comes onto the market and continues the success story. Because even in this new model, the typical MX-5 attributes lie at the center: lightweight sports car feeling and financeable driving pleasure. The Roadster project started in 1989 when the first MX-5 was presented. At first, Mazda only expected the sale of 5,000 units since roadsters were not in high demand at this time for security reasons. But against all odds, the small car sells like hotcakes. The recipe for success? Compact dimensions, crisp handling, and convertible feeling at an affordable price. Add to this the convenience of use. The roof can be opened or closed in the shortest time, also from inside. These are features that fans love even in the second generation. 1998 sees the launch of the revised Mazda MX-5. The biggest visual change is reflected at the front. The folding headlights are passé. Under the hood, more powerful engines are at work. The smaller one delivers 110 horsepower, 140 horsepower from the 1.8-liter engine of the top version. After a facelift 2000, the driver can also switch to an automatic transmission. This drives the weight of the already slightly heavier second generation to over 1,100 kilograms. However, the driving pleasure does not diminish. 2006 and Generation 3 goes on sale. The MX-5 is also available for the first time with a plastic folding roof, along with large standard equipment, which means a further increase in weight of 100 kilograms. Traction control and various airbags are now also coming on board. The Roadster also grows in size. It now first exceeded 4 meters in length. During the entire production period, countless limited editions advertised for customers. The special models come with different colors, equipment options, and technical gimmicks. In addition, the third generation MX-5 received several facelifts, which include both optical as well as technical innovations. But after nearly 10 years of operation, third generation is set to be permanently replaced. In 2015, Mazda returns back to the origins with the fourth MX-5. The new one is smaller and lighter than its predecessor. Like the entire Mazda range, it is designed in a style called Kodo. The front should look aggressive, long hood and rearward offset cabin, a sporty image. Optionally, it is set on 16 or 17-inch tires. The tail is short and crisp. The vehicle itself is wide as ever. The interior is mainly one thing: extremely small, cramped, and absolutely appropriate for sporty driving. But comfort is not neglected. Bose sound system and Recaro seats let one forget the small space offer. The Japanese rely on lightweight and manageable drive versions, even with the engine. The 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine is the smaller version. With it, the MX-5 weighs only 975 kilograms. The larger unit is a 2-liter engine. Even with 30 horsepower more, the Roadster still costs well below 30,000 euros. One thing is certain, both engine variants provide plenty of driving fun. Apart from the drivetrain, the Roadster offers even more features for optimal handling. 50-50 distribution of the already low weight, low center of gravity, stiff body and rear-wheel drive. Mazda pursues the so-called Jimba Itai first principle in this car, which describes the unfiltered connection between driver and vehicle. And it works. The direct steering, the super crisp 6-speed gearbox, braking before corners and then full acceleration, every one of its drivers will love it. Here, the MX-5 is completely reliable. Mazda has done everything right in the 4th generation of the successful Roadster. It doesn't offer space, great comfort, or long-distance compatibility, but nobody expects this. Instead, the MX-5's reputation as an affordable, fun car is fully justified.